All right, so we're gonna get the shoulder blade up, stretched, and get underneath here and stretch these subscap muscles. So what I'm gonna do is get up in here like this. And she's gonna help me out a little bit, so if you will, pull your shoulder blade into my fingers. 2, 1, and relax. And I'm just working my way through this shoulder blade. And what she'll tell you, if I was going to let her speak, is how much fun this is and how enjoyable it is. So go ahead and push your shoulder blade into my fingers again.
Right at Disney World.
Uh-huh. All right, and again. And relax. And I'm using a pillow under my knee, so as I bring your shoulder up, it doesn't hurt the front of her shoulder. And just let that shoulder fall down now. There we go. So she's got a lot of tight muscles through here.
Well, that's all that's holding your shoulder on is soft tissue and muscle.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a good thing to have tight then.
No, no.